KiDi eso ebufuye enti e ho so no na Romeo so say unua aboafo no ono mu cross interview no onye dada o metina se no nka na adwen kire no no sorry ko enti hu so unua aboafo no say interview no enye ntimi nye biem enti e wa so no unua so sorry no ko epu ha. So I'm saying why na mfonso omu nyina mfonso at the point, but based on me experience I'm work with KiDi based on time no I'll know to me train 1 hour, and I'm not saying so I train 1 hour and it's right so be delay or before a time. No. I have for me more call about Poleeno Multimedia. So Mediane Armstrong Poleeno are there. When you say Poleeno Multimedia, dear, say on Camusian way one now I hear DE because one of the urban stations and as a YouTube channel of Africa. And see any updates be concerning entertainment and as anything happening around the world be yeah the bro. Subscribe the channel and click the bell notifications and be anytime be able to post a video be you get it straight. Obeti me so follow Instagram Poleeno_com. Quick one. There is this video trending. Say KiDi Accra live interview on Accra FM. Say Yapamono so no sorry, but basically me I say Yapamono because I'm on the platform to talk. Maybe so why na yam from so and why na I was say Yapanicho. And I also be a pan young kucho na a day asunje ever. Ebia na unyante o de mamin play audio neti how and community koi.
Akwaba, Nija. Adana, Tabia away, sir. Actually, money. Where second time I was at you. Actually, your mom or timer, oh, time or your mom. Near promote flyer, no near can be an so KiDi do her a baby como. Now, why are not time and so not pound on echo? I don't know, yes, sir. We show now. Because material or other platforms, and I don't think it happens, sir. Is there any problem with this station? And at this show, Tina, I will disappoint you, sir.
First of all, apologies to the listeners. I think that's now as they are attacking me.
Yes,
it's not
because this is the second time I said it will happen. I don't know how you feel. Say,
okay, but the meeting me can Accra say Poleeno Multimedia there. We got a chance to interview KiDi on our show. I did reload bar enter chat. Enter chat no ye need KiDi interview. And I think say me host no and I say host of Poleeno Multimedia no for the show no or delay for about an hour or a chronom traffic. Na KiDi musmu adru ahojo 0 hotel. So wo Kumasi na se wo pe baby so ajojo ho a look sharp ne call ahojo 0 hotel swimming pool bibia ho. Na KiDi adru ahojo. Na omo twen say me host ebeba. Me host enyamai. Me friend no. I think that me ne KiDi musia na ye wo enyina ye wo ahojo na ye twen no. My friend was say, I think I may free fear about Poleeno. So I go like, okay, fine. My main country Albert, the manager of KiDi ne Kwame region. My main country Albert say na me host the kana say if they will get the time for us and I say if you mbekɔda foforɔ na interview no. Me catch Albert I say oh why not? We are all in the same game. And I will tell you say at that particular point and I say at that year no na KiDi and Kwame and they the hottest artist of Ghana ha. Yeah, no doubt. That year no na KiDi and Kwame no more na no more na so I will like hey KiDi more train ama me host Abba. So I keep calling my host Fresh Borough Paje me pacho yeah fast na more train yeah fast. So I couldn't afford to lose them like say for a fresh shows I don't know menya hot artist na it means no more train just 2 grow lengths entertainment at that time no na miss view so into this 3 hot musicians about now me host anywhere. You can imagine the kind of pressure I'm doing when me host my friend no pacho ye fast pa na omo wa ha say because needs me afford it to lose them on the show. You understand? And see Albert a train like omo train ma fresh boy Papa J. If we chronom obi a watine Kumasi de be anim the kind of traffic e wo chronom. Eba ye can say ahojo. What I say? So it was like an hard journey. Omo train, omo relax say, omo tena ho na, omo relax say. Na me so me bomb me whole pressure. They can't wait because what happened between KiDi and Nana Romeo on Accra FM. And see, I'm train ya for one Emma fresh boy Papa J by. To be blue and I quite remember say Kwame J catch and say Starboy on a near train on Obeko Chipa. My name say na Kwame UG boom host nebe. Emma me cram the series na me the series and say on by a boo like kind of stuff like that. I got amazed like what lengths for you because the show was even new in the system. So I said, I've been a show on a night day, and then here the new show, but I say, you link here for an interview, and I say, 3 hot stars at that particular moment. Hot. I just say, forget about the comedy aspect of me. No. Now, I'm me a train. Ama me host Abba a fresh boy Papa J by ama interview no successful nipa ne me nsa nyina ye twawie so me tie no story na I go like what happened KiDi makra na one show up they go like oh show up but na or late a bit and according to Nana Romeo or say and the first time and the second time I late but then you see him say Ghana there traffic you can't predict it baby crowd him say find them no be smart I could draw on them only on that traffic and I say baby I be trying on them na why late what you say and see on that note no because say KiDi by there so what's the big deal they should talk after the show they talk backstage say what and I say the no and try me mouse timer also try now this because all my listeners so train a chedodo. And I think that was the best way I'm kinda Romeo ebekono to my best of knowledge. I don't know details about what happened, but the abba mountain ye can if na abba yedi yedi. The meaning I don't have to talk about what happened there or what the conversation between them. I don't have to talk about that because I don't know meaning I have saying we talk about what happened. The nipa nyina hu aye nyina aye nim say ne sie na ne yeka so anenti na Romeo entimi antwen ene KiDi anye interview no successfully like 20 minutes for interview there too much or even 25 too much you can talk about a whole lot of stuff and I say new stuff and I say anyhow we bia obese we show Nikobi I think say that time frame no cool like 5 minutes no I can say e bia 5 minutes no obetenase say and see nipa so nipa KiDi so no na Romeo anko ne sa na start so bash no o he video na o timi say KiDi bufuye o video na o timi say a bufu draw on anim even the nose mask na o she no kran a bufu a draw on anim and see when timi an control the temper go like na say me pa motief wacho I think say e hono so KiDi so phone so KiDi nina if we say abawe 2 wrongs doesn't make right what you say nipa na from and I say nipa no etia ona so eni kwa also tia na so bi na I say atika no nipa na cancer and the best way I say KiDi ne say at least opa cho we are me power what if watch out maybe I go kill you with enjoyment me voice na nye papa nanka at least why freestyle be to release tension so what you say nanka afi no at least no nkwa no yes and kana na Romeo I don't think then go betimi akasa bi because open if watch out now say I go kill you with enjoyment you understand nanka bibia try but KiDi eso ebufuye enti e ho so no na Romeo so say unua boafu no onu mu cross interview no onye dada o metena se no nka na adwen kire no no sorry ko nti hu so onye abofu no say interview no enye ntimi nye biem nti e wa so no onye so sorry no ko epu ha so I'm saying why na mfon so o munyina mfon so at the point but based on me experience I'm with KiDi based on time no I'll know to me train 1 hour and I'm not saying so I train 1 hour and it's right so be delay or before a time no ebi kura na wa bookie obi into obi ebi kura na wa bookie obi dada enti wa bookie obi no when to me any nipa na anyede enwi on time of which say it happen most of the times because ubu bookie obi interview say be at 10 ebi ono obi bookie 10 ti onim say by 10:30 de no why den no wa wie no wa sim ti by 11 no wa draw ebi o draw no so nipa na ntimi amane sa enti a delay kakra enti pardon him talk with him on the show do your interview stuff like that after the show no talk to him on backstage not even on camera like not even on air talk to him me bread and I say oh me part one am sorry what me atwen ache what I say nti esa so ha me listeners because say be obi o ti onim say KiDi ba no my na esa so a prolong me show no on talk to him as a brother and then I don't think saying can be a big deal to come out. All right, and see that's why you say after all this thing no KiDi I allege I'm not saying say mente and I say me who any tape be a say indeed KiDi cast I'm sorry KiDi say or you bigger than Accra FM. What the fuck? I'm sorry to use that word, but if say KiDi it's in sadia, it's a no. It's a no. Say obuafu said den kra na in the Bible can be say emma ewia nkoto obufu. What you say? Obufu said den ah nyawa no. Enti me mo asem bi say so obi ya de na me bufu pa gidigidi a it's either in the background me block your number and I may delete your number. Offer me a me mfrɛ back. Na me dey maintain my buffon. It's even if I'm okay. Now me say okay now I can address the situation how it is then I talk. Because the moment I buffon one way I be kasa bi ho a ubewie no na what how nko for na so what can some actually odofu bi a open asem pa asem no obetimi bi a chew but free ho ho be ka say emre bi asuma sika say kire me so the best way no say enka obufu bia nipa bia obufu a try to control it go play a game relax chill for till say bia o be feel say wakomam no you're okay to talk to that person what I say na be a wan ko kasa bia ensem fata bia nchire nipa so as I'm saying say sana matter no say you see KiDi ka say or a bigger than Accra FM of which I'm saying is a no to say that if say no credit because you can be big today tomorrow you are no more relevant you'll be there but you'll not be relevant as you are now and see the radio station no is still there Peace FM was there before KiDi or they you kind of say Lord Kenya more TikTok more Esdo more all those no not Peace FM Peace FM now Peace FM is still Peace FM so artists saying that or you bigger than a radio station is a big no to me because no matter what I'm raining castle say in lose our time and that radio station no it need the peak crana still now it's a media you can't fight media what I say see if you tell me so my kind of say KiDi it's me a cancer there it's a big no and see say o cancer I'm not saying the account say o cancer there I will say otimi a patcho na o patcho say on cancer biem and I don't know the or invite you before interview if say KiDi born the bookie or mokran na o my late cran I think say is I will say in Canada Romeo a padding on for that but this one so no me no experience I'm a radio presenter baako e Hello FM Kumase e bon shika na mene no Royal Lametta any bookie artist bi. I don't want to mention the name of the artist because of one or two reasons. Artist need no na bookie no say chairman. So we na say untimi mba wadan ma ka kire me. Se na be ya me ko show no so although me the flyer ekọ but me ko show no so me kire me say ni nti asumasi nye den entimi ma show no so. Artist and manager and Japan. We will come. Oh, don't worry. No shake. We will come. No, sir, beside. More yes, sure, some beba. I know more numbers and promote Timonium. But I want to confirm if you are coming, so I will know say you people are coming. Some more maswa, no man who's a mumma, and Timiko show no so I'll know how to talk to my audience and as my listeners. Say moon Timima. Or say yes, we will come. And the 10th time I say bisa no see yes we go come. I'm ready to do you know. Or your announcement as soon as he ba say. He waited. Nipa na amasho no so. Ofrena o medura o yedruha. Wamba no. Enye se nipa na Africa Kumasi o that so no Kumasi. Wamba no. Was saying in the show. So this is the same thing that I can happen once. Me Kaiser presenter na say o person on blast the artist no. E won the show so. So say na artist near the hey. Go like fine, but to me I don't think that it's worth it because maybe any panel any da home there but maybe any da home biasa. No. I'm saying this na no Romeo so no ebia o feel say it do first one ebia ye ne ya ebia nkomodiem gra na ansa nkoye for the first round ebia oh unwa wa ambo so ebia ohenye like the response not be man no and ebia asa happen bi am until feel say I was Charlie on cheering say onye bigger than the station. Of course KiDi is not bigger than Accra FM. That one there is a fact. And see, what I want to say is why na anya there? Why na also patch? Why na anyone so patch? I think Nana Romeo or say or KiDi actually how ebia treaty on the show. And then I think say KiDi also say say Nana Romeo any station or bigger than them also on patch. Even though so ankasa Accra na I was so patch say ode ebufu sorry koye. This is my humble opinion though. So on me nyadua you can share your comment under this video. Try and share this video na obi so nhwe no so share in the comment. Let's help shape the industry. Nti midin any Armstrong Poleeno ade obetimi follow me e wo Instagram poleeno_com. Now subscribe to your YouTube channel no ha say anytime we post any video you get it straight. Bye bye.